Now, news from Delhi, and former AAP ministers Manish Sisodia and Satyendra Jain are facing fresh trouble in an alleged 2,000 crore classroom construction scam. The anti-corruption branch of the Delhi police has registered a corruption case against the two leaders and started a comprehensive probe to ascertain the role of other possible culprits. The role of unknown government officials and contractors is also now being investigated.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार कुछ अपना काम तो कर नहीं सकती है, और जिस तरीके से मनीष सिसोदिया जी पर और हमारे बाकी लीडर्स के ऊपर केस दर्ज किए जाते हैं, मुझे तो लगता है कि अब एक केस ये भी दर्ज होगा कि मनीष सिसोदिया जी सरकारी कुर्सी पे क्यों बैठे थे। मनीष सिसोदिया जी वहां कॉमा और फुल स्टॉप लगाना उस कागज में क्यों भूल गए, इसके ऊपर भी एक एफआईआर दर्ज होगी। तो इनको 5 साल तक भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार को कोई काम नहीं करना है, इनको बस यही ड्रामेबाजी करनी है। कभी इस मामले पे केस दर्ज कर दिया, कभी उस मामले पे केस दर्ज कर दिया। मैं फिर से कहता हूं, यह महज इत्तेफाक नहीं हो सकता है कि दुर्गेश पाठक जी को गुजरात का सह प्रभारी बनाया गया, उनके खिलाफ एफआईआर दर्ज हो जाती है, उनके घर पे रेड हो जाती है। मनीष सिसोदिया जी को, सत्येंद्र जैन जी को पंजाब का प्रभारी और सह प्रभारी बनाया जाता है और उनके ऊपर नए सिरे से एफआईआर दर्ज हो जाती है। यह पूरी तरह से पॉलिटिकल मामला है।
All right, so the Aam Aadmi Party, they're dismissing this latest case as a political witch hunt, saying that, this is something that they were expecting, that cases would be filed against their leaders. Now, this is the latest charge against Manish Sisodia and Satyendra Jain in what is being described as a classroom construction scam. And it's being alleged that this scam is to the tune of 2,000 crores, and other people who could be involved, like government officials and vendors, are also being investigated. Let's go across to Ishika for more. And Ishika, the Aam Aadmi Party dismissing this latest charge against their leaders as a political witch hunt.
Well, yes, certainly, we just heard the reaction that came from the Aam Aadmi Party. They're saying that it is only done out of vendetta politics by the BJP, and BJP yet again is misusing the agency. And just because, Manish Sisodia and Satyendra Jain have now been given the responsibility for the Punjab elections. Now, remember that today itself the FIR was registered against these two senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, Satyendra Jain and Manish Sisodia, over this new classroom, construction scam. The scam is, what is being told to us by the officials, is of around 2,000 crore rupees. And the case has been filed because Manish Sisodia was then the education minister and Satyendra Jain was then the PWD minister. The allegation is that they gave the, project to the contractors who were associated with the Aam Aadmi Party, and in the time period that was said, that was of 2016, not a single work was done. Rather, there was cost escalation because of that. Also, in fact, the architect and the consultants who were hired, they were hired not by following due procedure. So all of this, investigation is being done now. The BJP on, one hand is saying that not just these two leaders, but the involvement of the then Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal should also be looked by the Anti-Corruption Bureau. So certainly the back and forth also increasing between both the parties, and the trouble certainly mounting for the two AAP leaders. Over to you.